Hello guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to prepare a healthy and delicious egg white omelette with spinach and white cheese. This is an easy and quick dish to make, ideal for a nutritious and tasty breakfast or snack. So if you want to learn how to make a practical and healthy recipe, just follow the step-by-step of this video. Egg whites are a great source of protein, while spinach is rich in vitamins and minerals. White cheese, on the other, is a source of calcium and proteins of high biological value. In addition, this recipe is low in calories and fats, ideal for those looking for a balanced and healthy diet. To prepare the egg white omelette with spinach and white cheese, you will need the following ingredients: 4 egg whites, 1 cup chopped fresh spinach, 1/4 cup grated white cheese, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now that you have all the ingredients, let's go step by step to prepare the omelette. Beat the egg whites with a fork or whisk until foamy. Add the chopped spinach and grated white cheese to the egg whites and mix well. Season the mixture with salt and pepper to taste. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat and add the olive oil. Pour the mixture of egg whites, spinach and white cheese into the skillet and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the edges begin to brown. With a spatula, fold the omelette in half and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes or until it is thoroughly cooked. Transfer the omelette to a plate and serve immediately. So, what did you think of that recipe? If you liked it, don't forget to leave your like and share this video with your friends. And if you want more healthy and delicious recipes, check out my ebook Healthy Recipes for a Better Life, which is available at the first link in the description. There you will find more than 30 healthy and easy-to-make recipe options to vary your menu and maintain a balanced and tasty diet.